In this video, we are going to learn how to get the largest nth value based on some criteria in Excel. Now, if we talk about the largest nth value based on one criteria, it will not only involve single criteria, it will have in actual two criteria in it. The first one is the main criteria about which we are talking about, and second one is the nth value. That means that if you want to find the second largest value, then you can put 2 in the place of n, and if you want the first largest value, you will put 1, and so on. So how to do this? In Excel, we have a function to find the maximum amount in a range, which is called the max function. Now you can see that if I will apply equal max and will select all my value table, you will see that the largest value among all of this will be appearing over here, that is 29,000. But what if I want to find this value based on the particulars, and also I does not want the largest value, instead I want the second largest. So how to do it? So for this we have to make sure two things, that whatever function we will create will give us two criteria to put. First is the nth number and second is the criteria. So if we talk about this, so we can use large function in its place. So if we put large, you can see that if I will select my array and put the k as the nth value, let's say if I will put 4, so you can see that the fourth largest value is appearing over here, which is 24,000. Now if we see that the first largest is 29,000, then the second one is 28, third is 26, and the fourth is 24. So now the only thing remains is to put a criteria in it. So how to do that? For this we can use if function. So let's say that if I will apply if function, how can I get all the values related to a particular criteria? So let's say that if in the place of logical test I will put that if this particular, and I will make it fixed by using the F4 key, is equal to my criteria, which is this cell, I will fix it as well. So if this is equal to that, then the Excel will give me the value that relates to this criteria only. Now let's see what happens when I will close the bracket and press enter. So you can see that instead of one value, I am getting multiple values over here, because Excel is evaluating this entire data table and does not able to show me all the values in one cell. So what Excel has done is that it has given me all the values in a range. You can also see this blue shadow boundary over it, which indicate that this is the result of single formula. Now you can see that at a lot of place there is false, however some values are appearing. So what if function is doing that all the values related to the term Excel is appearing over here, however in the place where Excel is not written, you can see that I am getting a false error. So now all we have to do is we have to simply combine these two functions, and we will get our largest nth value based on a criteria. So let's see how to do it. So I will type equal to large, then I will open the bracket, and in the array I will put my array, that means this one that I have developed over here. So I will use if function over here. First I will select my particulars, make it fixed, then I will select my criteria. After putting an equal sign, make it fixed as well. Now I will again put a comma and will select the value that I want to display. Now I will close the bracket. So you can see that in the place of array we have put all these value, that is 12,000, false, and so on. Now in the number I am going to put this 1 over here. So instead of typing it, I will choose a cell because I have placed value already in it. So now when I will select it and press enter, you can see that I am getting largest value of the Excel particular. Let's see then if we can find these four values over here, and you can see that the largest one among all of these four is 28,000. So we are getting 28,000 over here. Now if I will copy and paste it, you can see that that there is some error because we have not fixed this. So first let's go over here and we will select this range so that no change will be made when we copy and paste this function. So the next value is 24,000, which is the second largest value. Now if I will simply copy and paste it over here, you can see that some error is appearing. This is because we have fixed relatively all the cells. So what we are going to do, is we can simply copy this function by selecting it. So what I have done is I have go to the cell, press F2, and then I will select this entire thing that I have written, copy it and paste it over here. Now only in the place of Excel I have to change the PowerPoint and the word over here. So I have changed it and put it, and you can see that I am getting my nth value based on some criteria. Also, let's delete this and we can see that how much it can work. So if I will put 3 and 4 over here, and I will just simply copy and paste it, so you can see that I am getting all these values. There is an error because I think that PowerPoint only has 3 values in it. So this is how we can find largest value with the condition in Excel.